Today, my subject is hemoptysis. There is two words. One is hemoptysis and other is hematemesis. Hemoptysis means spitting of blood and hematemesis means vomiting of blood. So today going to describe about the hemoptysis, what are the kinds of hemoptysis and what is the main cause of the hemoptysis. So first you should know the definition of hemoptysis. Hemoptysis means a spitting of blood. When we spit, then the blood maybe comes from the mouth or expectoration of the blood. After coughing, when we expectorate, the blood may comes with the expectoration. So the definition is the spitting of blood or the expectoration of blood is called hemoptysis. There is two types of hemoptysis. One is spurious hemoptysis, that is also called the pseudo-hemoptysis, and other is the true hemoptysis. So first going to describe what is a spurious hemoptysis or the pseudo-hemoptysis. The pseudo-hemoptysis is, this means the expectoration or the spitting of the blood from the mouth and the upper respiratory tract or the end of the larynx. When the blood comes from the upper respiratory tract or from the mouth, that is called the spurious hemoptysis or the pseudo-hemoptysis. The true hemoptysis means when the expectoration of the blood, when the spitting of the blood comes from the lower respiratory tract or from the trachea, bronchial tube and the lungs. So when the blood comes from the lungs, when the blood comes from the bronchial tube, when the blood comes from the lower respiratory tract, that is called the true hemoptysis. So one is the pseudo-hemoptysis and other is the true hemoptysis. So there is two types of hemoptysis we have seen. The cause is also a different for the pseudo and for the true hemoptysis. The pseudo-hemoptysis, the cause is number one, bleeding from the gums. When the blood comes from the gums, from the teeth, from the cheeks, from the palates and from the tongue. due to the pyorrhea. That is the main cause of the pseudohemoptysis. Second is epistaxis from the polyps, epistaxis from the polyps or ulcer. And third is the main cause is due to the pharyngitis, inflammation of the pharynx, due to laryngitis, inflammation of the larynx, due to the tubercular malignancy, and due to the varicose vein of the upper respiratory tract. Next, due to the hemangioma of the larynx or due to the foreign body in the larynx. So we have seen the different cause for the pseudohemoptysis. Then we come to the true hemoptysis. What is the main cause for the true hemoptysis? The main cause of the true hemoptysis is main cause. First we note the pulmonary tuberculosis. The pulmonary tuberculosis is the main cause for the true hemoptysis. Next is bronchiectasis. Next, bronchial carcinoma. When the patient suffering from the bronchial carcinoma, there may be chance from the blood comes out from the mouth. Next is carcinoma of the lungs. Next, lungs abscess. This is also a main cause. When the abscess form in the lungs, there may be chance of the bleeding from the mouth. Next, the gangrene of the lungs. Next, the chronic and acute bronchiectasis. Next, pneumococcal or staphylococcus. Next, the main cause is fungal infection. Next is eosinophilic lungs. Next comes the syphilitic affection of the lungs. Due to the syphilis, the history of the syphilis or the family history of the syphilis may be suffering from the syphilitic cause, and that affect to the lungs. There may be formed the ulcer, and due to that ulcer, the blood may comes from the mouth. Next is pulmonary fibrosis. Next is the pulmonary embolism. Next is the mitral stenosis. This is also a major cause. When the person is suffering from the mitral stenosis, there may be more chance for the bleeding from the mouth. Next is congestive cardiac failure and the hypertension. Next cause is aortic and pulmonary aneurysm. Next is the hemorrhagic due to the smallpox. And last, the cause is vicarious menstruation. This is also a very common symptoms for the hemoptysis, that is the vicarious menstruation. We have read in the Materia Medica, epistaxis in a state of menses, like brownia. This is also a vicarious menstruation. We also study in the case of phosphorus, there is also a vicarious menstruation. One case I have seen, a lady was suffering from the bleeding from the mouth, and she was suffering from the 3 or 4 months. She take the help of allopathic medicine. The diagnosis has done, but nothing find out. But the suspected treatment has done to the tuberculosis of the patient. But that patient was not suffering from the tuberculosis. Due to the suspected, the treatment has done of the tuberculosis because the bleeding comes from the mouth. And this bleeding comes every month with her. So, lastly she come to me, or I have seen, and I collect the symptoms of the patient. During that period she tells, not bleeding comes daily or weekly. I have seen this within a month. Within a month, one time must come blood from the mouth. And the patient was very susceptible to cold. Patient was lean and thin. Patient was chilly patient. Her desire was silent. And that to that, patient was very mild and gentle nature. I come to contact and prescribe a medicine, that is phosphorus. And after giving the phosphorus, the patient get relief within 3 or 4 months. I have tried, and then she told me that the blood is not coming from the mouth up till the 2 or 3 months, and then the treatment has closed. So, the vicarious menstruation may be the main cause, many the peculiar cause for the hemoptysis. The most common cause of the hemoptysis is the pulmonary tuberculosis, the bronchitis, the asthenic leaf, eosinophilia of the lungs, the pulmonary stenosis, abscess or gangrene of the lungs, and the fungal infection. One thing we should know, when a patient come to you in your chamber and suddenly see blood out from the mouth, blood comes from the mouth, and there is not a small quantity, there is large quantity of blood comes from the mouth. You have seen the blood, and the color of blood can be diagnosed. The blood is coming from the lungs or the coming from the stomach. Maybe you can see that if the food particles is present there, we can say this is the case of hematemesis. But the patient was very empty stomach from 2 or 3 days. How you can say there is no food particles? What you see, one thing, always remember, if the blood is coming from the lungs or from the mouth, the blood will be bright red. But when this blood comes from the stomach, the color of the blood is brown color or the coffee ground color. This brown color or coffee ground color, why became? This become due to the presence of the HCl in the abdomen. So when the blood mixed from the HCl, the blood color change and become the coffee ground. So we can easily say to see the blood, see the color of the blood, bright red blood from the lungs and coffee ground blood comes from the stomach. So easily we can diagnose that this is the case of the hematemesis or this is the case of the hemoptysis. So here we know the definition of the hemoptysis, we know the kinds of hemoptysis, we know the cause of hemoptysis. Thank you.